I want down-ups! Give me down-ups! Go! Run in place! Drop! Go! Run in place! Drop! Up! Down! Up! Not down, sailor! Get on the boat! Get the damn boat! Get to the damn boat, sailor! Where's the boat? What?
Yeah, a shark jumped out of the water and blew him up.
A shark jumped out and ate him? Remember that? How could a shark jump out of the water? He's a captain.
Yeah, if it was a mortar, it blew him up.
Mortar? I think it was a shark. Oh, I get it now. I get it. So the captain got ate by a shark. Wow.
No.
What do you mean?
No, the shark was a mortar.
The shark was the mortar. So it was a... Oh! Oh, God! What was that? What was that?
Oh my God, who's that?
Spears.
Who?
Spears.
Oh my God.
Oh. Was that Spears guy from Band of Brothers? Of course it was! Yeah! Oh.
All that's left of the ship is a rollerblade and a pair of clothes.
To that day, Brooks and Zancy abandoned their boat and were ran over by tanks. Two tanks actually. Smell that? I smell Oscar. And that was the end of the fight. I smell it too. Although the tank ran over Brooks and Zancy, Spears stayed strong. Spears! And that was the end of the fight.
So, as the leader of the boat, what can you say to the people out there that
I just want to say, what are you waiting around for? The movie's over! Yeah.